It's more important than ever for behavioral health professionals to care for their mental health, and for those hiring them to help. Behavioral health issues are on the rise. In 2019, an estimated 52 million US adults reported having mental, behavioral, or emotional disorders. That was before the pandemic. According to the World Health Organization, the first year of the pandemic increased the global prevalence of anxiety and depression by 25%. This increase is creating a demand for care that's stretching workers thin. The stress is taking a toll. Clinicians must protect themselves from burnout. But first, they must recognize the signs: compassion fatigue, emotional and physical exhaustion, heightened anger or frustration, lack of enjoyment in activities, difficulty concentrating, increased non-healthy habits. For clinicians, if any of these ring true, it's time for some mental health TLC. Try to reduce stress by eating healthy meals, taking time off, and staying physically active. And be sure to talk about your experience with others, because you can't fight overload if no one knows. And clinicians need work advocates in their corner. Those hiring behavioral health professionals can help. There are many ways to support workers in the battle against burnout. One of the most meaningful ways is to update benefits. Consider offering employee assistance programs, mental health days, volunteer days, enhanced PTO policies, increased compensation, loan forgiveness, coaching and wellness programs. All can work to remove some of the stress today's behavioral health workers face. After all, staffing shortages persist, economic strains continue, uncertain times endure. But that doesn't mean today's healthcare workforce can't rise above the burnout. Small changes every day make a big difference, like working with a partner that can help in any circumstance, from advising on how to implement safety protocols to setting up virtual models and hiring the talent to support those efforts. As workforce needs and the economy continue to shift, Medix is here to provide staffing and consulting that takes the stress out of finding talent with the skills you need. Learn more at medixteam.com/healthcare.